Hello student, welcome to the video of your general knowledge subject, that is GK. Let's begin with unit 6, that is society and surrounding. Let's start leaders of today. This unit 6 is in your final term course. Okay, here are some pictures given of prime minister, famous prime minister or president and their concerned country you have to write. First one is Mr. Narendra Modi, okay, our PM. That is India, it is IND. You all must be knowing the spelling of India. Then Pakistan, PAKISTAN. Then next one is third, Russia. Okay, this is Vladimir Putin. Then next one, fourth one is Germany, GERMANY. Then we have Iran. Fifth one is Iran. Okay. Then sixth one is Afghanistan, AFGHANISTAN, Afghanistan. Next is Sri Lanka, SRILANKA. Okay. Now eighth one is UK. Ninth one is China, CHINA. And 10th one is America, AMERICA, that is USA. Clear? Now next is guess the dress. Now you have to guess the dress of the given countries or cities. It is England, it is tuxedo, that is TUXEDO, tuxedo. Then we have Scotland, their dress is called KILT, kilt. Then we have Japan, it is KIMONO, Japan. Then Russia, ballet tutu, BALLET, and then TUTU, tutu. Okay. Then Saudi Arabia, it is Thobe, THOBE. Okay. Next is China, it is Chenoksam, CHENOGSAM. Then we have India, traditional dress sari it is. Then Spain, it is bolero. Okay. So these are the various dresses. Okay. Next one is logos. Famous logos are there. You have to identify the logo. And it is used by a company or an organization. When you see these logos somewhere, which company or organization are you reminded of? You have to name the country the company. Okay. So UNO, this is United Nations Organization. Okay. Then this is the symbol for WHO, World Health Organization. Then this is the symbol for UNICEF. Then this is the symbol for ILO. Okay. Next we have this symbol for Red Cross, REDCROSS. Then this one is very famous, Indian Railway, INDIAN, Indian Railway, RAIWLWAY. Then this is the symbol for Wimbledon, WIMBLEDON. And next is the symbol of CRY, that is CRY. Okay. Next we have famous automobile, that is Mercedes, MERCEDS. Then it is WWF, that is wildlife. Panda is the wildlife for wildlife. Okay, WILDLIFE. Then this one is for Honda. Okay, HONDA. Then next is McDonald's, MC Mac and Donald, DONALDS. Okay. Next we move on to how good are you with colors. Okay, you have to fill in the blanks with the colors. So the highest rank in karate is that of black belt, BLACK. Then black widow is a very poisonous type of spider, SPIDER. Then largest mammal of the world is blue whale, BLUEWHALE, blue whale. Next, the other name of termite is white ant, WHITE, white. Ants, ANTS, ants. Then the yellow part of an egg is called yolk, YOLK. Then the workers who do hard and dirty work with their hands are called blue collar workers, that is BLUE, blue collar COLLAR, and workers WORKERS. Next we have a blackout is a failure of the electric power supply, that is black, 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 and OUT, out. Then we have the official residence of the President of America is White House, that is WHITE, white, and house, HOUSE. Next, the person who sells vegetable is greengrocer, GRENGROCER, grocer, greengrocer. Then the official report describing the policy of the government on a particular subject is white paper, WHITE, white, and paper, PAPER. Okay, so these are the hints and pictures are given and their respective words. Okay, next is imperial. Unscramble the names of the famous people with the help of the clues given and fill in the blank. The king of Israel, known for his wisdom, is King Solomon. So king spelling is KING and Solomon SOLMON. Answer is given, but it is in a scramble form. You have to unscramble them. Then next is the Mongolian leader who led his people to numerous conquests and was a terror during his reign was Genghis Khan, CHANGEZ, Genghis, and Khan, KHAN, Khan. Then one of the greatest kings of southern India, also known as the Tiger of Mysore, was Tipu Sultan, TIPU, Tipu Sultan, SULTAN. Okay. Next is the French emperor who was defeated in the Battle of Waterloo was Napoleon Bonaparte. Okay, it is NAPOLEAN, Napoleon Bonaparte, BONAPARTE. Okay, next is a great Mughal ruler who built the Taj Mahal, very famous, Shah Jahan. It is SHAS, Shah, Jahan, JEHAN. Okay. Next is the greatest king of the Maurya dynasty who later embraced Buddhism was Ashoka, ASHOKA, Ashoka. Next, the Rajput ruler of Delhi and Ajmer who married Princess Samyukta was Prithvi Raj Chauhan. It is PRITHVI, Prithvi Raj, 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 and Chauhan. Okay, CHAUHAN. Next, one of the greatest queen of India who died fighting the British during the revolt of 1857 was Rani Lakshmi Bai, RANI, Rani, Lakshmi, LAXMI, Lakshmi, and Bai, BAI. Then next, an English queen who ruled one of the longest period in English history was Queen Victoria. It is QUEEN, Queen, and Victoria, VICTORIA. Okay, Queen Victoria. Next is the king of Macedonia who defeated King Porus of Punjab was Alexander the Great. Spelling is ALEXANDER, Alexander, the, the, and Great, GREAT, great. Okay. Now let's move on to page number 61. That is father of their nations. Okay. Now they can be called as the fathers of their nation. You have to unscramble the words to know who they are and you have to fill in the answer. So born in 1918 was the President of the Republic of South Africa. He and the African National Congress fought against the system of apartheid, unfair laws against non-white people of South Africa. He was in jail for many years and when released became not only the hero of his nation but for the entire one. He was Nelson Mandela, NEL, Nelson, SON, and Mandela, MANDELA. Next is born in 1567, Samuel the Champion was a fine navigator who explored the river St. Lawrence in Canada. On returning to France, he requested King Henry IV to provide him money to set colonies along the coast of the river. A city was made by the name of Quebec, which was the first city of Canada, and he is now known as the father of Canada, and that was Samuel the Champlain. Okay, spelling is Samuel, Samuel, and Ded, and Champlain, Champlain. Okay. Next is Russia, which was the backward nation, was made more modern by Peter the Great, Peter, the The, and Great, Great. Okay. So he also converted it into major European power. He introduced several reforms in education, then religion, okay, and government. He also formed a huge army and Russia's first navy. In 1703, he built a new city called St. Petersburg, which later became the capital of Russia. Next is, born in 1781, Thomas Stanford Raffles, that is Thomas, Thomas Stanford, 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 and Raffles, Raffles, okay, was the founder of Singapore. He joined the last East India Company, became an administrator, but was keen to establish a new port to attract international and Chinese tea traders. In 1819, he founded the new port city of Singapore on the site of an old 14th century town. Okay, so this is all about your chapter. Okay, now remaining chapter we will be covering in the next video, part 2 video. Okay, then till then revise all the pages thoroughly, spellings also. Clear, children? Thank you.